Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has come here into this green area, which would be very much required and would be necessary in the bullish scenario to get a better confirmation that actually we have found here again a bottom and that we are starting to climb higher. So again, we have here the bullish case on the chart. And then we say, because we did hold the $30.50 level, which is sort of a key level to maintain the bullish scenario, we can say, all right, this is still possible. This is still probable. And then we say that we had a leading diagonal up here, then A, B, C down. And we have the potential that we say, all right, possibly this was already the wave 1 to the upside. Here a wave 2 down. And next we're going to see a wave 3 to the upside. That should take us above the previous high here at $39. That is possible. Can we guarantee it? No. Is it unlikely that we are going to make a new low? Also not. So probabilities are fairly equal here. And that information you need obviously to do your risk management and get your understanding about risk, right? So we did expect here a move down, that all happened, but now the market needs to decide, are we going to hold this support area? Why is that so important? Well, if we take a look at the fibs, so let me just draw the fibs here. I think I might need to adjust that just slightly down. So that target area goes all the way down to 32.24. That is the 78.6% fib level. If we lose this level, it will just get very unlikely that this is still here a wave 2 correction. So I haven't actually indicated that count on the chart, but I will do that now in another color. So let's say, in the yellow wave count here, wave 1 up, wave 2 down. The next would be a 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. Can calculate the targets for that as well, based on the assumption that the low is in. That would take us to at least 46.59 for this wave 3. Yeah. So that is the bullish count in here in yellow. Yeah. So that would be bullish, possible, but for that we would need to turn around above 32.24. Could we drop lower and still be in the bullish count? Yes, but it will just get less less reliable. Okay, always important to understand probabilities and from which point the probability is reduced to that or that much that it's just not reliable anymore. So this is at the moment sort of the key assumption. The other assumption is that what we did from the low here at 30.50 was only a corrective move up and we're going to come down impulsively next. Which level is important for that? It would be the $30.50 level. If we go below this level, and already if we go below that 32.20 level, it will get very likely that we're actually here in a wave 3 down in blue. And based on that, you can create your own strategy now, of course. That's what it's about. Create your own strategy. Everything's fine as long as it's not based on fear and emotions, okay? What you need to understand are here the key levels below which certain scenarios get unlikely. Here we're still very much sitting on the fence. Unfortunately, the move down yet was very strong again, but it was not strong enough to dismiss here a bullish scenario. It was also not clearly corrective. This rather looks like an impulse, which again makes it difficult to interpret here at the moment, but we have come close to support. And it all depends on if you're short-term trading or long-term accumulating. I am not really accumulating Solana long-term. I have a small position in my, let's say, swing trading portfolio, but it's at the moment you could say an uncertain chart. The major breakout level of this chart is here actually the 48.40 level. So anybody who wants more confirmation should, in my opinion, and that's just my view, should wait for a breakout here and then wait for the pullback. And ideally we hold in any pullback that 48.40 level. If we stay above this level, that would be fairly bullish. Already just a break of that level would be fairly bullish. Yeah, this previous wave 4 high, if we can break that, that would be very useful. From a high level point of view, the $30.50 level is so important, because if we lose this as well, then I mean the higher level scenario will get into a very bad situation. But again, this is basically in line with what I just told you about losing certain key levels, because this is, if you measure the fibs, this is the 78.6% fib level, and losing this level also here then in a 1-2 setup is not reliable, and it would rather indicate that we are in a bearish scenario with making lower lows, possibly in the region between $19 and $22. Okay, that's my update about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.